What's up, you guys? For today's experiment, we're going to be making slime. So let's talk about all the things that you need. So you need contact solution, glitter glue, I just have the Elmer's, baking soda, a bowl to mix it all in. I'm using a plastic spoon to mix, and then you're going to need a tablespoon, so a capital TBSP. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open up your 6 ounce of Elmer glue. This one's perfectly 6 ounces. And empty it into your bowl. Alright, so get out as much of the glitter glue as you can into your bowl. And the next thing you want to do is take your contact solution. We need 1 1/4 tablespoons of contact solution. So I'm going to fill it up. 1 tablespoon, 1 full tablespoon. Okay, so that's 1 full tablespoon, and then I need 1/4. So I'm just going to fill this up only about 25% or 1/4. And the next you need 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. So I'm going to take this, and I'm only going to fill it up about halfway. It doesn't need to be perfect. So I'm going to fill it up about that much. And now we just need to stir this all together. Ugh. So you want to get it all mixed up. Make sure to scrape the edges, really get that glue in there. Oh yeah, it's already making some slime. So this might take a minute. You're going to have to keep stirring, trying to mix it all together really well. Alright, so once your slime's really firm like this, so I can pick up the whole thing. I still have a little bit of contact solution left, but that's okay. So I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to knead it with my hands. Take it out, get all the drips off. And I'm going to knead it. So you're just going to kind of play with it. You want to break it apart and then smush it back together. And you might have to go in and get more contact solution. So I'm going to dip it back in. Pick some up and knead it together. It's almost like making pizza dough. You have to kind of pull it apart, push it together. And there you have it. You got some slime. How cool is that? And it's so pretty and glittery. Alright guys, so once you're done playing with your slime, make sure you wash your hands because you get some of that goop and stuff on your hands, and if you go to eat fruit snacks or a snack later, it's not going to taste good. So to store your slime, just put it in a Ziploc bag and make sure all the air bubbles are out. So if your slime ends up being kind of sticky or gets kind of hard, add a little bit of contact solution and keep mixing it in, and it should come back to normal. I hope you guys have fun. See you later.